हेलो चिल्ड्रन, वेलकम टू ASA एजुकेशन। आज हम कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 93 रेन एंड मार्टिन हाई स्कूल ग्रामर बुक से। बुक 1 ग्रामर की एक्सरसाइजेज है ये, और इसमें टॉपिक है preposition. Fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. He invested his patrimony in jute shares. The police commissioner is invested with magisterial powers. Let us talk about something else or of something else. For a while, they talked about politics or of politics. I will talk to my son respecting his conduct. Takes no interest in politics. What you say has no interest for me. I have no interest with the agents of the firm. He has a reputation for honesty. He has the reputation of being a good teacher. He exercises complete authority over his followers. There is no authority for this use. I say this on the authority of the Oxford English Dictionary. Dr. Bridge is an authority on English prosody. He fell a victim to his own avarice. The victims of cholera were mostly poor people. I have no use for it. He has lost the use of his right arm. There are some diseases that proceed from dirt. After visiting Agra, we proceed to Delhi. Let us proceed with the work in hand. He supplied the poor with clothing. Supplied clothing to the poor. She was greatly afflicted by the loss of her only child, or you can write at the loss of her only child. The old man is afflicted with gout. The teacher impressed on us the value of discipline. We were impressed with what he said. The operation was accompanied with little or no pain. She was accompanied by her brother. The English allied themselves with the French. I'm not able to read this, but elementary, after that the correct answer will be 2. Napoleon had a genius for military tactics. Without doubt, he is a genius in mathematics. The idea originated with him while he was traveling in Japan. The fire originated in a haystack. He jumped to a conclusion not warranted by facts. The child jumped for joy when I gave him sweets, jumped at my offer. He is negligent in whatever he does. He is negligent in his duties or of his duty. Contentment is a requisite to happiness. Told that prolonged treatment is requisite for effecting a cure. His shattered health is the result of intemperance. Jealousy results in unhappiness. No good is likely to result from this union. Does not rest with the collector to order his release. His old case rests on alibi. Most of the roads in that district are not suitable to motor cars or for motor cars. He lives in a style suitable to his position or for his position. He responded to the ladies in a humorous speech. The boy immediately responded with a blow. He responded to his toast in a neat little speech or for his toast in a neat little speech. यह है आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 93। अच्छी लगी सब्सक्राइब करिए ASA एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं एक्सरसाइज नंबर 94।